Hi there. How we doing today?
I'm good, sir. What's the problem? I wasn't speeding, was I?
No, you weren't. But you do have a brake light out.
Well, that's it?
Can I see your license and registration, please?
Yeah, I'm gonna grab it right here.
And what's that?
Oh, it's my new Safer Traffic Stop case. It keeps all my documents right here.
Well, that's outstanding, Brian. So, no digging in glove compartments or seat pockets?
Nope.
Can I take a look?
Yeah, sure. It was created by a mother who just wants to make sure traffic stops are safer for everybody.
Well, that's an innovation I could get behind. You have a good day and get that brake light fixed.
Thanks, officer.
All right.
And thanks, Mom.